Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaggy Crochet. Today I am bringing for you a very beautiful and elegant collection of crochet outfits, crochet scarves, and beautiful off-shoulder dresses and asymmetric skirts. I hope you like my video, my collection, because it's made by me. These outfits are very unique, beautiful, and elegant. Beautiful colors, combination of different colors, beautiful embroidery, style, and pattern. These outfits are using like casual dress, party dress, and summer. Some dresses for summer and other ones are for winter. Beautiful checks, three-dimensional flowers embroidery, texture embroidery, and layers of combination of different colors. Look beautiful and elegant. Please select one for your own choice and comment me about your favorite one. Thank you so much again. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and also click on bell icon for further videos and further notifications about my crochet collection. Thank you so much, and please watching till the end of the video.